someone's buying a new car, the factory value proposition is pretty strong. Now, what's a value proposition? As it turns out, a lot of people don't know what it is. The value proposition is everything that comes with a commodity. In this case, the commodity is the vehicle. So, let's take a Honda, for example. I happen to know Honda because I buy Hondas. I know most of the value propositions for most of the factories, but not all, but I am familiar with Honda's value proposition, so we'll use Honda. Customer says, I want a better price, I want a bigger discount. And again, we're assuming a couple things. We've got the customer on the right vehicle. We've disclosed all the discounts. The vehicle's probably discounted online to bring them in. We've disclosed the tax credit if it was applicable. We've told the payment stories. We've told the term stories. We've told the cash stories. So we've done an awful lot of things right. So I would say to a customer who's buying a Honda, and they gave me pushback on the price, I'd say, Mr. Customer, please recognize this. For the next 3 years or 36,000 miles, you're not going to pay for a repair. If something breaks, Honda will pay for the repair. That's on almost every mechanical working part of the vehicle. Not wear and tear items, but mechanical parts. When it comes to the powertrain, the big items, you're not going to pay for a powertrain repair for the next 5 years or 60,000 miles. In addition, you've got 3 years or 36,000 miles of roadside assistance. Okay? That right there will save you $180. You've got 3 months of Sirius radio. And at my Honda dealership, you get the first 2 years of maintenance, which is 4 tire rotations, 4 lube oil filter changes. That's about $300 worth of maintenance. So we're going to reduce your cost of ownership. Look, when you bring your vehicle into our service department, if it's got to be kept overnight during the warranty period, we're going to provide you a loaner vehicle as well. If you bring your vehicle in for service, you don't want to hang around our customer lounge, we're going to provide you a shuttle service. You don't want to show up at the dealership at all these days, we will come out and pick up your vehicle for service and bring it back to you. Okay, so Honda's got a terrific value proposition. We've got a terrific value proposition. We're doing all of that in order to make sure that you can't find a better deal anywhere else in America, and I promise you, you can't. So I need you to let me start taking the credit application so we can get the credit approval process started. Can I do that right now?